A transformer is employed to reduce 220 volts to 11 volts. The primary draws a current of 5 ampere and secondary 90 ampere. The efficiency of the transformer is. First of all, collect the data. So this is working as a step down transformer, right? So here in primary coil, suppose this is our primary coil and this is our secondary coil. So primary and secondary, right? So primary will be the input side and secondary will be our output side. So what is given? That input, so V primary is equal to 220 volts and V secondary, which is 11 volts. So it is decreasing the voltage. Current in primary one, IP, which is equal to 5 amperes, and in secondary, so in secondary IS, which is 90 ampere, right? Now the efficiency of the transfer they are asking, so they are asking the value of eta. As we know that efficiency eta will be is equal to power output will be upon power input. This is the definition of efficiency in transformers. Now what is P output? So P output will be V secondary into I secondary divided by V primary into I primary. Perfect. So the value of eta, Vs, which is 11, into Is, which is 90, divided by 220 and 5. Perfect. So this is cancelled out. This will be 2. We get 9 by 10. So this is 9 by 10. If you talk about for the percentage, eta percentage will be 9 by 10 into 100, which will give you 90%, right? So 90% will be the answer. So option number 4 has to be the right choice. Perfect. Yes.